Hey y'all, welcome back to the wall hanging grandfather clock scroll saw series we've been working on. I have only got about 4 pieces left to cut out, and then we'll be ready for finishing and assembly. Now I'm already about 11 and a half hours into the project. With these few pieces left to go, there's not much left to do, so let's get cutting. Don't let anybody fool you. This part here is sheer monotony. Repetitive patterns, the same cuts over and over and over. It makes you better by doing this kind of stuff repeatedly, but it is a bit boring. It's the price you pay, though, for having an heirloom quality fretwork piece at the end of the project. So you just got to cut it out one hole at a time. And don't get in a hurry. Just 2 more pieces now. This one top crown piece has a 48 inside cuts. So you can just imagine what the entire clock has. I better get to it, huh? All right, we're down to the final piece to cut out. Now, before I go making all of the inside cuts, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap this with a little punch, and I'm going to go ahead and put the hole in for the 3/8 inch mini quartz movement. Yep, that will do right there. 434 inside cuts complete. Now, because of the bowing issues, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lower piece along with the clock face I just cut out, and I'm going to stack these up nice and flat here. A couple of pieces of scrap wood, lay on top to distribute the weight and keep from marring up the surface. And then I'm just going to take a heavy gallon of something and put it on top. I'm going to let these sit for overnight. Make sure all of the bowing is out of it, and then when I come back tomorrow we can start finishing. Until then, this is Reaganite 71. Thank y'all so much for coming along with me on this project. We're almost there. Be sure and tune in next time, and I'll see you then.
Sir, there's zombies everywhere. I exhausted all my ammunition. There's just too many of them.
My God, it's worse than I thought.
What we do, sir?
I'll tell you exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna make them a happy Halloween sign.